Your entry door is more than a welcoming design element, it's one of the most important security features of your home. In Glendale, where homes range from historic properties to modern builds, ensuring strong entry door security helps protect families, belongings, and peace of mind. When upgrading or installing a new entry door, understanding the right security-focused features allows homeowners to make smart, confident decisions that enhance both safety and durability. Here are the key entry door security features every Glendale homeowner should know. Solid core door construction. The foundation of door security begins with the door itself. Hollow core doors offer minimal protection and are easier to breach. Glendale homeowners should prioritize doors built with solid or reinforced cores. High security core options include solid wood quartz steel reinforced interiors, fiberglass doors with dense insulated cores. These materials provide strength against forced entry while maintaining energy efficiency. Reinforced door frames for added protection. A strong door needs an equally strong frame. Many security breaches occur not through the door, but through a weak or outdated frame. Reinforced frames improve resistance to forced entry, prevent splitting or warping over time. Securely anchor the door to the structure. Upgrading the frame during door installation is essential for full security performance. Advanced locking systems. Locks play a major role in door security. Modern entry doors support advanced locking systems that go beyond basic deadbolts. Key locking features include multi-point locking systems, high-grade deadbolts, reinforced strike plates. Multi-point locks secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making break-ins far more difficult. Heavy-duty hinges and tamper-resistant hinges are often overlooked but are critical to door security, especially on outward swinging doors. Security-conscious hinge features include steel or reinforced alloy hinges, long screws anchored into framing, tamper-resistant hinge pins. These features prevent doors from being removed or weakened at hinge points. Impact-resistant and laminated glass options. Many entry doors include glass panels for natural light, but standard glass can be a vulnerability if not properly reinforced. Safer glass options include laminated safety glass, double or triple pane insulated glass, impact resistant glazing. These glass types are designed to resist shattering and remain intact, even if broken. Secure weather stripping enhances safety. Weather stripping isn't just for energy efficiency, it also contributes to security by improving door fit and reducing movement. Tight seals limit gaps that could be pried open, improve door stability, enhance locking performance. In Glendale's climate, quality weather stripping also protects the door from heat and dust damage. Smart lock and security technology compatibility. Many Glendale homeowners are integrating smart security solutions into their homes. Modern entry doors can support smart lock technology and monitoring systems. Popular options include smart locks with remote access, keyless entry systems, integration with home security cameras. These technologies offer additional layers of protection and convenience. Professional installation is essential for security. Even the best security features won't perform properly without correct installation. Professional installers ensure accurate alignment, secure anchoring of frames and hardware, full engagement of locking systems. Proper installation prevents vulnerabilities that compromise security. Durability that supports long-term security. Doors exposed to Glendale's sun and seasonal changes must remain stable over time. Warping or shifting can weaken security features. High-quality materials and professional installation maintain door alignment, preserve sealing and locking performance, extend the lifespan of security features. Durability ensures consistent protection year after year. A safer home starts at the front door. For Glendale homeowners, choosing the right entry door security features is an investment in safety, comfort, and peace of mind. From solid core construction and reinforced frames to advanced locks and impact-resistant glass, modern doors offer powerful protection when properly selected and installed. Understanding these security-focused features helps homeowners make informed decisions and ensures their entry doors stand strong as the first line of defense for years to come.